Greetings and welcome. I'm Karen Barron with Creative Now TV with your creative tip of the day.
Learn one new thing each day, even if it's one new word, or how to add more action words in your conversation. Write them on your calendar as a reminder. Words like analyzed, brainstormed, clarified, or designated. Learn anything, something useful, like what vitamins and minerals are in the food that you eat. Maybe how to do something on your computer or cell phone, such as how to do a conference call meeting to stay connected. For Mother's Day, we had a conference meeting using our cell phones, laptops, computers, tablets, and notebooks to connect our family to my mother, who's 95 years old, regardless of where they were located. She absolutely loved it. Continue to grow every day.
Thanks for listening. I'm Karen Barron with CreativeNowTV.com. Remember, create and be safe.